So we're going to mix up a quarter cup of resin, and according to my 6th grade math, that should be 20 drops of the hardener. And it's supposed to be 103 today. I've got 3 ceiling fans going and both evaporative coolers going. I got another big fan that's off so you guys can hear me. And we're going to just put this piece right here. That brush is no good. Got my last disposable brush. I was mowing most of the morning before it got too hot. And it's hot now. Everything's sticky now. Yeah, when I was finishing up mowing, I was walking back towards the shop and I had my head down like an idiot. And I looked up and there was a gray fox coming from the tall grass right at me. The neighbor was mowing, so he probably was hiding out in his property and was running away from that mowing. Got to keep your eyes forward. And that should be the last bit of fiberglass. It's kind of therapeutic to do this kind of work. And then when it dries this afternoon, I'll trim it again with the die grinder. Okay, more to follow.